Imagine a fire burning inside your body. You can't see the flames, and you might not even feel the heat, but day by day, it is scorching your arteries, damaging your organs, and rewriting your DNA. Medical science now identifies this process as the root cause of the world's deadliest diseases. It's not a virus, and it's not a bacteria. It is chronic inflammation. Experts call it the silent killer because it operates below the surface until it's often too late. Welcome to Vitals Health. Today, we are going deep into the science of inflammation. We will explain exactly what it is, the warning signs that you might have it, and most importantly, the science-backed protocol to extinguish the fire and heal your body. To defeat the enemy, we first need to understand it. Inflammation isn't always the villain. In fact, without it, you would die. There are two types. First, there is acute inflammation. Imagine you cut your finger or twist your ankle. Your immune system rushes white blood cells to the scene. The area gets red, swollen, and hot. This is your body's emergency response team protecting you from infection. Once the wound heals, the inflammation stops. This is good inflammation. The problem begins when the switch gets stuck in the on position. This is chronic inflammation. This happens when your immune system gets confused. Due to stress, toxins, or poor diet, your body believes it is under constant attack. Your immune system starts releasing inflammatory markers called cytokines into your blood, not for a few days, but for months or even years. Instead of fighting a virus, these cells start attacking your own tissues, your arteries, your gut lining, and even your brain cells. So, what does this actually do to you? The consequences are severe. Let's look at heart disease. For years, we thought cholesterol was the only enemy, but modern research shows that inflammation is what causes cholesterol to get trapped in your artery walls, creating plaque that leads to heart attacks. Then there is the brain. Neuroscientists have found a direct link between chronic inflammation and mental health. When your brain is inflamed, it disrupts the production of serotonin and dopamine. This is why chronic inflammation is often linked to severe depression, brain fog, and is a primary driver of Alzheimer's disease. It also destroys your metabolism. Inflammation blocks your insulin receptors, leading to type 2 diabetes and stubborn belly fat that seems impossible to lose. In fact, fat cells themselves release more inflammatory chemicals, creating a vicious cycle that keeps you sick. Since this is a silent killer, you won't always feel pain. However, your body does give you subtle signals. Here are the top signs of high systemic inflammation. 1. Chronic fatigue. You feel tired even after a full night's sleep. 2. Skin issues, unexplained rashes, acne, or eczema. 3. Digestive issues, constant bloating or IBS. 4. Joint pain, aches that come and go without injury. 5. Visceral fat, excess weight specifically around the midsection. If you really want to know for sure, ask your doctor for a specific blood test called HSCRP, high-sensitivity C-reactive protein. This is the gold standard marker for measuring inflammation in the body. Now for the good news. Chronic inflammation is largely reversible. You can turn the fire off. Here is the science-backed protocol to reset your system. Step 1. The diet shift. You need to stop fueling the fire. The biggest triggers are refined sugar, seed oils like soybean or canola oil, and processed meats. Instead, adopt a Mediterranean-style diet. Focus on omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, sardines, or walnuts. These are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Antioxidants, berries, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables. Spices, turmeric is crucial. It contains curcumin, which studies show can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. Step 2. Manage cortisol. Stress produces a hormone called cortisol. Chronic stress keeps your immune system on high alert. You must prioritize sleep. During deep sleep, your brain's glymph washes away inflammatory waste products. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Also, try intermittent fasting. Giving your digestive system a break for 14 to 16 hours allows a process called autophagy, where your cells clean out damaged parts and reduce inflammation. Your body is resilient. It wants to heal, but you have to give it the right environment. By reducing inflammation, you aren't just preventing disease, you are unlocking more energy, better focus, and a longer life. Don't wait for a diagnosis to start taking care of your health. Start today. Swap that sugary snack for some berries. Take a walk to reduce stress. Put out the fire before it spreads. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone you care about. Make sure to subscribe to Vitals Health and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on how to master your biology.